Back door's actually dropping a bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that. And weld it.
Hey guys, we're Stevie, Liz and Lucky and welcome to our channel. You'll find us either out on the open road seeking adventure and freedom in our beloved van conversion diggers, or working hard on improving and upgrading her. Either way, come join us on the adventure because we'd love to have you.
So, what we've done today is, well, basically, I'll start from the beginning. So, we had a bit of a rust issue. There was a rust issue when I first bought the van back in 2020, with the back door especially. So, what I basically have done from 2020 till now is sort of like, I patched it up originally in 2020, and what happened was when we were away at Christmas it got knocked, and it was only like a fiberglass the corner basically, and it ended up breaking off. So it was the back door, as I'm sure you well know by this point. So what, I don't know if I found a company anyway that did bottoms, that did rear door bottoms, inners and outers. So basically what I did is I bought one of them, and I had good intention of just cutting the whole bottom of the door off and replacing it. And then I realised that why don't I just cut all the bad section out, which was all the bottom and a bit of the corner. I'll cut that out and I'll just make a patch, and I'll just patch that in. So basically that is probably either what you're going to see or what you're about to see.
Hi, so it's really noisy. You're coming to us from our backyard. We're doing some welding on the van. I'm just going to take you with Stevie and show you what we're doing. 2 seconds. So what we're doing, we've got some rust at the bottom of the van, on the bottom of our back right door of our van. So we've bought some sheet metal. We've got a welding kit. Sorry, I look like absolute fucking shit, but it is a Sunday, so it's all right.
Back door's actually dropping a bit.
Yeah. So we're fixing it. So we bought a welder a while back. I mean, Stevie's an engineer. He's got tools coming out of every orifice you can think of, but this is what we're dealing with. Yeah. Hi, you're back. Welcome to Liz's World of Welding. So, well, we haven't actually started welding yet, but Stevie's out back grinding. Yeah, I'll show you anyway.
So basically I should maybe try and explain what I'm trying to do here. So the prefabricated panels are absolutely fantastic. So if you ever need to make a patch, I mean, like what I did, I got a full lower rear door panel, and I was able to just cut out what I needed from that. They come in the front and the rear. I'm actually on with the rear now, which is a slightly little more intricate type of cut that has to come out of it, because obviously it's shaped for the rear door. So that's basically what I'm doing now. I'm just making the little patch for the interior. what I'm doing now is, and yeah, you didn't catch it on camera, is I've already cut this patch. So that was just basically trying the patch to see how that fits. So now what's happening is basically I'm cutting the inner to size. So you've already seen us cut the actual patch. So now I'm cutting the rear door to match the patch, which you've probably seen earlier on, the pen mark that was on it. So that's what I'm doing now, just fine tuning that, and then the work starts, and then I'll start welding it all. So.
So what am I about to, what's the...
So that's the patch. I've just attached the patch with some mag mounts. Just see what it's like.
Attach a patch.
Attach a patch.
Patches. Attaches.
Bloody mental woman.
It's looking good though, isn't it? It's looking good. So what I'm going to do actually, just while I'm down here, is show you our welder. So this is our welder.
Anybody who's thinking of doing these type of repairs, I would definitely go for these prefabricated patches. I mean, the contours on them are absolutely fantastic. It makes something that could be quite daunting quite easy, especially like, I mean, you can see where I'm doing it's in the back street, and and I have welded for years, and it was by far a lot easier than what I thought it was going to be. So this was basically it, the final stages. Yeah, so it was all welded up now, and time to put the filler in. You know, anybody who's done this, I'm sure will be looking at it now going, what the hell is he doing? But yeah, so yeah, just don't be scared, get stuck in. It pays off, as you'll see. that was the black paint going on now. And yeah, that was it, finished. A long day, but hey, it was well worth it. Remember, don't be scared to try any of your projects. I mean, we're hit by 4 professionals, so if you've enjoyed what you've watched, we'll be appreciating you hitting the subscribe button and the like button. Thanks.
What I'm doing at the moment is I'm learning to weld. So, jokes aside, because you know I love a good joke, it's obviously not easy. Not that I ever thought it was or claimed to say that it was. But I get to learn, and it's really exciting because I think I've said before that I'm behind the camera a lot, and today particularly done a lot of filming of Stevie because he's got the knowledge, the experience, the skill, all of it. I'm happy to learn, but he knows how to do the job, which is why he's mostly in front of the camera doing work stuff and I'm behind it. So I just want to say that as well, that I know that you know it, but I know it as well. I'm well aware, and I adore my husband. I know how lucky I am to have him. Anyway, back to Welding 101.